Street guy, I bet her mama never told us. I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's been living in a white gray world. Salamat po sa lahat naman nandito ngayon sa SM City, Pampanga. Mayapagat panapon, SM City, Pampanga. Yan. And if kung pwede ko lang din pong ma-share sa inyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, iba talaga ang kapangyarihan at star power at kapugian na naging isang Alden Richards! How are you?
Grabe naman yung mga ganong description
Diba?
naman, Miss
Alam
Karen.
niyo si Alden po ay matagal ko ng kaibigan, more than 10 years.
1 decade. Kasama ko si hindi pa kalad Karen, si Jervy nun. Mas kilala ko siya si Jervy. Nagkasama kami sa Eat Bulaga before.
Kasama kami sa Eat Bulaga ni Alden, o diba? Sabihin mo naman, batiin mo sila, Happy Video Fiesta at 50th Anniversary!
Yes, happy Video Fiesta po. And of course to BDO, happy 50th anniversary po. And sobrang grateful lang po ako to be here today and to celebrate with you guys, of course, with BDO, of course, and of course all of the things we can offer to our clients to make their future secured in terms of financial. So maraming salamat po. May iba pa dyan, like A-Team, lumipat pa from Manila. And of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nandito. And I'm very excited na makipagkulitan sa kanilang lahat.
At bukod sa kantahan, kulitan, Alden, may kwentuhan!
Yes, let's go!
Diba? Game ka ba makipagkwentuhan?
Kahit hanggang bukas tayo dito.
Sige, upo tayo. Alden, oh my God! You are so busy. Ang dami mong
Hindi naman. Sakto lang.
ang dami mong racket, di ba? As an actor, endorser, and Alden is also an entrepreneur. Di ba? Anong pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon? You just finished filming a series, di ba? Kwentuhan mo naman kami tungkol dyan.
Yes, so parang beginning of the year, I was finishing up a show which is Stars on the Floor. Nag-host ako noon, and then after that, parang a few months, after concluding the dance show, lumipat naman ako sa Siargao for a month to shoot Love Siargao. Sino mga nanonood ng Love Siargao dito? And alam nyo ba na merong branch ang BDO sa Siargao? So talagang that's how innovative BDO is. We call it island banking now. So hindi lang sa Siargao ngayon, I think meron pang ibang mga spots and ibang islands na mag-open ang BDO branch. So stay tuned lang sila dyan. And then after that, right now I'm doing, actually this coming August 8, meron akong documentary special under GMA News and Public Affairs. Sorry, medyo malang tayo ngayon kasi medyo sinadretso yung trabaho, but it's about rebuilding broken rooms. So it's a documentary about the educational system here in the Philippines and kung bakit isa ang Pilipinas sa lowest emerging readers and lowest literacy when it comes to reading and writing. It's a I think it's one of the most important projects I've done this year. Because it talks about education, kung nasa na ba yung edukasyon ngayon sa Pilipinas, na marami sa atin ang hindi nakakapansin. But during that time when we were doing it, I was there. I was able to experience the lives of the kids and on how the demand for classrooms, the demand for schools and education is going up every year. But the facilities and the services that we offer remain stagnant. So, ayun po, this coming August 8 po yan sa GMA, 9:30 p.m. Saturday po. And then, I'm doing Code Grey, which is a medical drama. So, malapit ko nang panood si Dr. Grayson, of course. Balik prime time tayo after 2 years, after pulang araw. And of course, commitments to the brands that I support and I endorse, which is yung BDO Fiesta. Kasi sinabi ko talaga kay Ma'am Cora and the team, sabi ko, Ma'am, I think isa to sa mga gusto kong gawin religiously because I get to really be with the people and connect with them and share with them my experiences in terms of BDO. So, kasi prior to me being an ambassador, and I keep on repeating this, and I'm not gonna get tired of saying this, client na ako ni BDO for the past 15 years. So, kung meron man ako mga services na natututunan at nalalaman pa, meron na akong stock knowledge on what BDO has in store for those who are not yet BDO.
Grabe si Alden, no? Talaga multifaceted na tao. Diba, actor, endorser, entrepreneur, and I like that he actually uses his platform para makapag-storytell yung mga totoong kwento ng ating mga kababayan.
Then, tsaka diba, nag-interview tayo sa Siargao? Di mo naalala?
Oo nga, dear!
Di ba, dear?
Nandun tayo, dear.
Yes, dear.
Pero nakakatuwa na may docu ka na rin, di ba? Bukod sa mga series, teleserye, ginagamit po ni Alden ang kanyang boses para ikwento naman ang mga paghihirap, di ba? Challenges ng ating mga kababayan. May request lamang po kami sa inyong lahat. Maaari po ba umupo po tayo para po sa safety nating lahat at para makapanood po yung mga nasa likod. Pakiusap lamang po, please sit down. Ayaw umalis. Bumalik kayo sa mga upo. Asan na ba yung pamalo ko? Upo kayo. Kasi magkakatulakan kayo. It's not safe for everybody, ha? So upo po tayo, maging kalma lang at nandito lang po si Alden para pasayahin kayong lahat. Okay? Alright. Eto na, next question natin.
Yeah.
We're talking about our finances, we're talking about how to manage our wealth, etc. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng peace of mind. Diba? Sa dami ng responsibilities mo, gaano ka-importante sa'yo na may peace of mind ka pagdating sa iyong mga finances?
Well, number one kasi, it doesn't really matter where you are right now in terms of your financial literacy. Maybe you're just starting or you're very much well equipped with the knowledge and the things that you have to know when it comes to handling your own money. But at the end of the day kasi, you gotta have the right partner. And really, it's with BDO. I mean, I've been a client for the longest time. And in terms of the services that I'm looking for, may it be savings, may it be a checking account, may it be insurance, may it be an auto loan, a house loan, insurances with coverages, VULs, etc. I think BDO has it all. Diba? Parang since it's under the same company, under of course, the supervision of the Cs and of course SM, parang talagang that's how they offer products to the market. Yung one-stop shop na, no-brainer na, hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip. And of course, right now, as you can see, andito sila lahat, being present in our venue. So, anything you need in terms of finances, BDO has everything for you. So, wala na po kayong iisipin. And I think, ever since I started with BDO, siguro isa yun sa mga factors na nagbigay sa akin ng peace of mind when it comes to my finances because they have well-equipped personnel, they have really good tellers, managers who's really there for you, not because I'm Alden, but there are friends of mine na non-celebrities who na nakakausap ko na they're very much happy with the services that BDO offers. So talagang sabi ko, I'm in the right partnership, I'm in the right family. So I'm just really grateful to be part of BDO.
And for 15 years, they got 10 years as one of the ambassadors of BDO. And earlier, you mentioned how important it is to have a trusted partner when it comes to your finances. Di ba yung mga financial needs natin, banking, importante yan sa buhay natin. So sa lifestyle mo ngayon, paano sa tingin mo nakakatulong na meron kang katuwang when it comes to your finances? Yung bang maaasahan mo, pinapadali yung buhay mo, hindi ka na mag-iisip, may peace of mind ka.
I will be brutally honest with this. Marami pong financial institutions na nandyan na that will take your ignorance for weakness. I've been a victim of that. A lot of them, agents, banks, na nag-take advantage of me not being knowledgeable on how to manage. Of course, syempre, especially nung bago pa lang ako. But yun kasi yung na-appreciate ko, like, during that time when I started earning my own money, Kasi prior to me being part of show business, of course, nag-pageant ako. Then I was also earning from commercials, like commercial model. And then, yung mga go-see, ganyan. I started earning my money. And the good thing about video during that time was, naramdaman ko yung safety. I was safe. My money was and when your money is safe, or when your hard-earned money is safe, your future is secured. So that comfort is a huge factor for me to really trust BDO long-term. So I just really appreciate on how everything is being managed and handled here, of course. With our branch banking head, Ms. Cora Malilin, I mean, under her wings, sobrang naaalagaan from back personnel down to the clients, down to everything. That's why ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na I am in a family who shares the same values and vision for the long term and for, security as well.
Tsaka nakakatuwa ko yung sinabi ni Alden na he feels safe with BDO. Importante yun eh. Pinaghirapan natin yung pera na yan. Nagtatrabaho tayo para sa ating pamilya. We need a trusted partner who will make us feel safe. And that's exactly what BDO does to the clients.
Ibang-iba ka na talaga, no?
Bakit?
Parang layo. Dati si Jervy kasi commercial lang po. FDN, floor director yan sa Itbulaga. Tapos maiksi pa yung buhok niya. But she was very hardworking. And still is, actually. And nakakatawa lang that I'm sharing the stage with you. Like, tayong dalawa coming from humble beginnings, di ba? So, nakaka-proud lang.
Thank you, Alden. At maraming salamat din. Dahil I'm also a client of BDO since I started working 16 years ago. At lahat po ng...
Anong branch?
Eastwood. Eastwood branch kasi taga Eastwood po ako. So, yun, nakakatuwa na at least now we are sharing this good news sa ating mga kababayan ngayong BDO Fiesta para at least maging knowledgeable din po kayo sa mga pwede nyo pong gawin at ma-avail na services ng BDO. Kaya nga po namin sinishare sa inyo para kayo rin po ma-experience nyo yan. Eto na, last question. Bukod sa
Bakit last? Gusto mo ba makipagsigaan eh?
gusto mo pa? O sige, dagdagan nyo nga yung tanong. Mga
Joke lang.
apat pang questions. Okay daw, sabi ni Ms. Jeannie. Alright. Alden, bukod sa pagiging celebrity endorser ng BDO for 10 years, nabanggit mo, you have also been a client for 15 years. Anong pagbabago ang na-witness mo sa BDO over the years? Kasi, di ba, ang dami ng mga banking solutions na high-tech, digital, sinasabi nila na mas padadaliin yung buhay mo. Ano yung napansin mo na pag-adapt ng BDO sa science and technology?
I think it's a matter of how they see the current setup of the generation right now. And ang isa sa na-appreciate ko talaga is how BDO really prioritizes convenience when it comes to banking needs and financial needs. Especially wag na lang ako, like for certain common individual who's a working professional, ang daming different offers ni BDO ang nagpapadali sa buhay namin or sa buhay nila. Let's say you want to go to a bank and ask for an appointment, you can book online using your BDO app. When you want to deposit checks, or nakalimutan mo yung debit card mo or your credit card, you can use the UTM or the Universal Teller Machine. You can use your biometrics, even your face recognition, even just email. Kahit walang card, just meron ka lang, dala mo lang yung sarili mo, just bring yourself. That's very convenient for me, and then I've experienced a lot of, especially with at the same time, hindi rin papahuli si BDO when it comes to innovation, when it comes to payment platforms, like BDO Pay. Siya din si BDO Pay that makes transactions easy. Kaya ewan ko, alam ni Ma'am Cora yan, pag meron akong pinupuntang establishment, tapos walang BDO Pay na QR code, bakit po na? Inaaway ko sila. Hindi naman away na malala. But it's just really convenient because it's gonna be coming from your savings account. Hindi mo na kailangan loadan. Hindi mo na siya kailangan loadan. Hindi mo na siya kailangan lagyan ng credit. Kasi diretso na siya from purchase to payment, ganun lang kabilis. So, ang dami pa, like I was talking to the team, I'm very much into, looking at different opportunities pa on how to contribute to BDO in terms of innovation. Kasi as a brand ambassador, dapat tayo, as public figures, as celebrities, hindi lang tayo the face. We should also input creatively. We should be part of the campaigns. We should give our knowledge and share the things that we envision to the brand. So holistic siya. Hindi lang siya one-sided. Hindi lang siya trata. Hindi lang siya talent fee. It's more than what's written in the contract. It's more than signatures. It's more than the money. It's really a partnership and the vision to move forward and to make the lives of our clients and to make the lives of Filipinos better in every day.
Alam mo, ang gwapo ni Alden, ang talino pa, nakakaloka. Alam mo yun, yung gwapong matalino, tas charming, tsaka masarap. Hindi, gwapo talaga ni Alden. Tsaka, tama yung sinabi niya, hindi lang siya basta-basta endorser. Hello, alam niya yung ins and outs ng ini-endorse niya at parte po ang BDO ng kanyang pang-araw-araw na buhay at ng kanyang pamilya. O, diba? Iba ka na talaga, friend! Ang dami ko pa pong gustong itanong kay Alden, pero itutuloy po natin ang chikahan mamaya backstage. So
Yes.
thank you so much for joining us today, Alden.
Thank you, Jerbs. Hindi ako sanay kalat-karin kasi.
Jerby na lang, because that's my name.
Yeah, Jerby.
Sigurado ako marami pong na-inspire sa inyo, mga kababayan po natin, mga bagong natutunan ng ating mga ka-BDO dito po sa Pampanga. Isa ka talagang henyo at good example. O gusto mo may henyo pa, ha? Pagdating sa pag-balance ng career, negosyo, at syempre ng finances mo.
Sobrang grateful ako, syempre. Thank you, Jerby, and of course, to my BDO family. Thank you so much for making me parts of events like this because I'm always so excited to share my experiences as a BDO client and my experiences as a BDO ambassador to everyone, and of course, not just to the Philippines, but the whole world. And to showcase that there's an institution who truly cares for the financial literacy of Filipinos. And you can never go wrong, BDO. So maraming salamat po.
Yehey! Pero hindi tayo papayag na bitin po yung harana ni Alden. Gusto niyo pa ba siyang kumanta? Okay. Okay. Gusto niyo pa bang kumanta? A-Team! Nasaan ang A-Team? Hello everybody! Yan po ang solid fan club ni Alden Richard. Oo, tsaka Alden Addicts nandito rin po. Hi everybody!
Good! Again, never-ending thanks po. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin dito sa BDO Fiesta. Mula noon hanggang ngayon at sa mga susunod pa pong taon. And as our final way of saying thank you, eto na! Sino gusto ng raffle? Nga ko po, we will be giving away 10 washing machines. Grabe. Para po sa first 10 audience na mayroong multiple video accounts. Actually, kasali din ako dun. Kailangan, makinig po ha, listen. Kailangan may BDO ATM or Kabayan card. You have a BDO credit card, BDO Pink app sa phone, at BDO Life Insurance Policy. Okay? Yan, and of course, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagtanggilik sa products and services ng BDO at sa pagsama niyo po sa amin mula noon hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat po for trusting the brand. And, of course, in lieu of saying thank you and gratitude, this is my last song for you guys. Sana po magustuhan nyo.
Mr. Alden Richard! Effort si Alden ha, talagang kumanta, magkwentuhan, kinamusta tayong lahat. So once again, palakpakan po natin Alden Richard! ng kanilang wallet. Kung nawawalan po kayo ng wallet, BDO Platinum pa.
Grabe, magkano limit niya?
Oo, announce mo lang yung name, pakikuha po sa aming staff. Army Pamintu. Oo. Sige, secret pala. Bawal sabihin. Kung sa inyo talaga yan, alam nyo yung pangalan nyo. O, pumunta kayo sa aming staff para kuhanin nyo po ang nawawalan yung wallet. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up BDO.
Ay, bak, gusto ko pa eh.
Gusto,
Joke lang. Joke lang, Jerry.
isa pa daw kanta. Gusto nyo pa ba?
Wala na. Ubus na, uy. Wala nang boses na mamaya.
Ayaw na. And that wraps up our BDO's 50 ways to say thank you. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nakatanggap ng regalo and thank you sa walang sawang support at tiwala po